Homeowners, what are the 5 best home renovations you can do with a future resale in mind? Hi there, I'm Nguyen from the ACC teams with Keller Williams Coastal Property. As a homeowner looking to sell, you may be wondering what home improvement you can do to maximize your return on your investment. Well, let's take a look. Paint color. Color is one of the most basic and appealing ways to update your space without breaking the bank. When choosing a color, it is always best to go with neutrals. How about curve appeal? We all know making a first impression is key. It is all about creating an inviting and visually appealing exterior that captivates everyone passing by. That is why having the exterior home updated with lighting, planting, and landscaping, all this improvement will help elevate your curve appeal. Ongoing maintenance is so important. No one wants to buy a dirty home. House maintenance and repairs are critical to ensure the value of the home. If you're unwilling to take on the repairs yourself, hire a professional. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards not only when you live there, but also when you go on the market. Kitchen and bathroom. Although this two-space can get costly to renovate, they're often the first area buyer criticize and scrutinize when buying a home. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars to renovate. Simply things like updating the cabinets or appliance and adding new fixture can add value. How about the smell? Make sure your home passes the smell test. Don't like a smelly home. Make sure your carpets stay clean and maintained. No exterior garbage or anything that may create odors to your property. Please reach out to my team and I so we can help assist and guide you through this ever-changing market. Again, I'm Nguyen, and as always, we're here to turn your dreams into reality, one home at a time.